Hi everybody, Adam with BRUCO here. I wanted to take a moment today to share with you our reconditioned SSS cruiser floor machine. I'm sure most of you are similar with side-to-side or floor machines that you typically use that use a motion like this. And the SSS cruiser is everything those machines are, except it allows you to operate much easier. Instead of the side-to-side motion that we're used to, this machine allows you to walk in a straight line behind doing those same tasks. So I'm going to have Brian just come in and run the machine down this aisle and back to us, and you can see that operation. And I'll just briefly talk a little bit about the different projects you could use this machine for. So with a side-to-side machine that you maybe currently have now, you typically use that for stripping floors or maybe screening the gym floor before a recoat. And we can do those same things with the cruiser. Once again, we're just doing it walking in a straight line. So if you're chemically stripping a floor, it's just a matter of choosing the right pad. Obviously, we would choose a high productivity chemical stripping pad. If you're dry stripping a floor, we could use the EcoPrep pad for that. And another thing that this machine will allow you to do if you're doing dry stripping is there is a dust containment system on the machine. So you can turn that vacuum on, and there's a skirt that isn't currently on the machine that does go on it. It comes with the machine if you choose to purchase it. And that skirt and the vacuum system allows you to have a lot less dust when you're done dry stripping. And then as well as gym floor screening, if you wanted to use a typical traditional screen, you could do that on the cruiser. Or you could use what we recommend is a multi-disc, which you can see has multiple discs on it. And these discs are diamond coated with different levels of grit. But what the multi-disc allows you to do is use those diamond discs to scratch the floor much more aggressively than a screen, but not as deeply as a screen. And so after we've abraded with diamond discs, we have much better adhesion with the floor finish, and we can use one coat of finish to cover up those scratches instead of most needing two with a screen. And so those are kind of some of the broad strokes of the benefits of using a cruiser. Obviously the big thing is the operation. We can just walk straight forward with it. Very little training is necessary, and it's not as dangerous to use. So typically a new cruiser would be about $4,400. A new multi-disc to go with it would be about $2,200. So about $6,600 brand new. This reconditioned cruiser and multi-disc is about $3,900. So if you have any more interest or questions on that, please reach out to your BRUCO business advisor, and I appreciate your time, and I hope this was helpful.